Every month, your AI bill goes up. Everyone can see that. What no one can see is what you're getting for it. It's not uncommon for 70 to 80% of AI spend to run through engineering. So when finance asks you to justify it, you're defending one number on a bill, with no view of what it produced. Revenium connects to your AI coding assistants in under 10 minutes. One config block, every developer reporting. No installs, no code changes. Now the conversation changes. Instead of one number on a bill, you see every engineer, what they spend on AI, what they pay per million tokens, and which way it is trending. Per team, per engineer, all of it, in Revenium. And open any one of them. Now you see what that spend produces. Some engineers ship a pull request for a fraction of what it costs others. You can see exactly why, and make their playbook the team's. Then, make the gains stick. Set a flagship model budget per developer. When it's spent, work routes to lower-cost models automatically. Developers keep shipping. The ceiling holds. So when finance asks what AI is doing for the business, you don't defend a number, you show the return. Like this recent customer, with best practices shared and budget policies on, their usage more than doubled, while cost per million tokens fell 40%. Revenium. Prove your AI is worth it. Let's get started.